nice is that? Well, I'm glad to see you too.
Have a seat.
Okay, I get to sit on the cart. Oh! Here.
Comfy? Oh, cookies.
You brought her cookies?
Yeah.
Why did you bring her cookies?
Why not?
Because he knows the way to my heart is cookies.
Maybe that.
Did you have a question for her?
Maybe that cheered her up.
Maybe.
Maybe I say yes to his question.
Maybe you say yeah. Maybe you say.
What's your question?
You depressed?
Am I depressed?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I just wonder because you sit in the dark.
I just don't turn the light on because there's light coming in from there, and that's light. And
Yeah, I walk by and here's this little old lady sitting in her chair in the dark with her controller.
Sobbing.
Like she's oh pitiful Pearl.
Pitiful Pearl.
sobbing, yeah.
Okay, maybe that's an exaggeration, but
Okay, yeah, not much. But anyway.
a pitiful Pearl, I could see that, but sobbing might be.
So what's going on in the world?
I don't know. I have no clue. I've been trying to get my arms to quit hurting. Kitten. Hey, you little jerk.
Oh, she needs food.
What do you mean she needs food?
I mean, she needs food.
Oh, she's out of dry food.
Yeah.
Oh, no, she doesn't. I'm going in the closet. She's a closet cat.
She's a closet kitty, yeah.
My God, she did. She went in there and got in her bed.
Yeah, she doesn't like us. Or you.
Yeah. Me. Probably me. Consider I'm the one that feeds her.
Or us.
She likes you more than she loves me. The only time she doesn't say anything is when I bring her food. Then she'll sit there and I can move her or pet her or whatever, and she doesn't do anything. Any other time it's it's like, you bitch.
Feel the love.
Oh, you're recording. Sorry.
Sometimes Dave forgets that we're recording.
Well, whatever. I do swear once in a while.
Yeah,
He's being transparent.
that's it.
And
This
then
is
you
real
get-
life
you
here at our house.
transparent, You get in trouble for that now
Yeah.
and stuff. It's like, I don't care. They all can go suck eggs as far as I'm concerned. How's that?
Well, if they want to, I guess they can.
Yes, they can.
Whoever they are.
Whoever they are. Them people.
Them people.
Them people.
Uh-huh. Why are you over there wringing your hands?
Why are you filming me?
Because you're adorable.
Oh,
She got all spruced up. Right? You know we're going to be filmed today.
Yeah, that's why she made her bed, too.
my bed isn't made.
I see that. Her hair isn't brushed either.
It's like when I make the bed, you're just going to get in it and mess it up, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
She's in and out of it.
It's
800.
like she got up yesterday morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. Right?
Mm-hmm. Was she sitting here in the dark?
No, she was out getting coffee. I hear her out there banging around. So, after running into the wall 6 times or something, she'd get her coffee cup. It's like, geez, Lorrie. Geez, Sharon, I'm glad to see you're up so early. And she said,
Thanks for letting the rest of us sleep.
yeah, I was up anyway. So anyway, she headed for the coffee pot, and I said, I'm going to take a shower, okay? Yeah, okay. I'll probably be taking a nap here pretty soon. Isn't that what you said?
Yeah.
And I asked her why she was up so early.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I was awake. I got up, Go out and get coffee. Coffee evidently puts her to sleep.
Oh, well, that's counter-effective, isn't it?
But she did. She got a cup of coffee and, putted down the hallway. Didn't spill it. She's pretty good at that. And I went and took a shower, got out and everything, and she was in bed sleeping.
Was her cup of coffee empty?
I didn't check.
You didn't check?
No, I just thought, well, that was a quick one.
Because maybe she didn't even drink the coffee. Did you?
Yes, I did.
You drank the coffee and then went to sleep.
And then she took a nap.
I took a nap.
Well,
Okay. Did you have some of that? Some of those gummies
Do they work
in the
for
morning?
That day?
That day in the morning, when you got up at 6 o'clock?
you? Yesterday.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
You just had coffee, right?
Right.
Okay.
And the tincture?
I wasn't finished sleeping yet, that's why.
I think I'll wander around out here in the kitchen and stuff.
Sleepwalking.
Have a cup of coffee and then I'll go back and finish sleeping.
Sleep drinking?
Evidently. It's kind of like shit.
Sleep coffee.
Oh. But anyway, does that stuff work for you? Well, what the hell's that mean?
What, you got the shakes now?
Or are you hovering?
Let's see, I had some this morning.
Now she can't stop giggling. Apparently it works.
Oh,
Well, yeah, okay. I had some
It's
this
supposed to work on her depression and improve her mood.
So what's it do? Does it work or does it just make you like a zombie?
it makes me giggle.
Do you need your water?
Probably.
Does it drug you?
No.
You look drugged.
She does not.
She don't.
Sometimes it makes me feel a little sleepy, but not every time.
You look like you're ready for another nap. Are you?
Well, it is that time
What do you mean?
for her afternoon nap. It's like, what, 5 o'clock?
Well, I don't know.
She usually naps around this time and gets up about 6:30 in time for dinner. She's
I
predictable.
could sleep till midnight, couldn't I?
No, I tell you one thing though. But between the two of you, you can't schedule nothing until afternoon.
Right.
I get up. Was it today? Yeah, I get up today. Of course I'm hurting and everything else, and I'm banging around and wandering around and everything, doing whatever and stuff, and I keep waiting for somebody to get up, and all I hear is snoring until noon.
11:30.
That's noon. Like, my God. Of course, Lorrie, she doesn't go to bed until 3 o'clock in the morning. And stuff, so. No.
Yeah, she's often in there with her light on that time.
Well, the other day I thought she was up, and it's her stupid plant, her garden that she's got in her bedroom. The sun comes up in there at a certain time. It's like every room in the house kind of like, light comes on here. Well, that garden's getting going. Boop, another light comes on here, and boop, light comes on over here. I went out there and shut her lights off the other night. Okay, I couldn't sleep. They're right there in that window.
Look at her.
It's like, well, so what?
You're killing babies.
Killing babies. She's got her stupid grow lights on, and I try to go to sleep and everything, and it's like, psychedelic.
If it's after 10,
No, they were all on. It was like 11, almost 12 o'clock at night.
well, then you're allowed to turn them off if they're still on that late.
Even the one that has the timer?
No, not the one that has the timer. The one that has the timer
See,
will be
that was
off.
totally different. You can turn them off anytime after this time. Oh, not that one, though.
The one with the timer will already be off at 10 o'clock at night.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't. Well, it wasn't the other night. I'll tell you that for sure.
Is your butt burning?
What's my butt got to do with that?
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
My butt didn't say that.
But I think your pants are on fire.
I think you're goofier than shit, too. It was. It was on. My room was lit up. The cat was even looking at me like, what the hell's going on? Like, I don't know.
Sun already?
It's the garden sunshine. You can't mess with it. It's Lorrie's sunshine. She's got it toying.
Yes.
Yes.
I have a couple of lights that aren't on timers.
And then on my workbench out there. It ain't a workbench no more. It's a garden.
Oh, no.
A wilted garden.
A wilted garden.
The corn is like laying in my toolbox.
Put the corn out there?
Yes.
Yeah.
And it couldn't stand the cold?
No, evidently not.
Well, it was okay when I looked at it yesterday. It's not super happy, but
It isn't standing up.
it's a little bit that was standing up.
A little bit. Jeez.
Has it got any water? Or did you also dry it out?
No, it's got water. I'm not trying to kill the corn. I think I just made a mistake.
Oh, no shit.
I just planted it way too early.
The stuff was this high. Well, I'm going to stick it outside. They need to get acclimated. Yeah. You turn around half hour later and it's laying down. I said, I don't think so. I don't think it's...
Shot.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have room for it inside anymore.
Well, quit planting stuff.
Well, I probably shouldn't have planted it quite so early.
You would plant some now and it would be ready by the time you're ready to plant.
Right, because you're not actually supposed to put it outside till like June.
Why did you plant it then?
Well, because I didn't know that. I hadn't done
Don't you
my
have
research
You got
yet.
an 8 or 9 year old guru that tells you what to do, and you don't even...
I didn't ask her.
You didn't even ask her.
I forgot.
Gee.
I just thought it would be fun to watch it
Oh,
grow.
yeah. It was fun until it died. Yeah.
It's
We're
fun
going to watch something else grow, and then we can die.
Well, everything dies.
Well, no, I was going to go out there the other day and do something, and it's like, I can't do nothing. There's crops growing on my bench.
On your bench.
Well, at least on your bench, they can get a little bit of light.
Are you worn out?
It's in the Twinkies. That's why she ate all those Twinkies.
That's why she eats them so fast, eh?
They're special Twinkies.
Special Twinkies.
We thought they were coming from Costco, but they aren't.
Apparently, they're coming from
Via the southern border.
via the southern border. Yeah.
Oh, God. Well, you think if they're coming up from the southern border, they'd be the American Twinkies, not the Canadian ones.
Yeah.
Canadian ones are not as good as the American ones.
No, they're not. Canadian mac and cheese in the box isn't as good as the American one either.
That's that stuff that she likes, right?
Yeah, I don't
I
like
don't
the
like that.
Canadian brand. It's
Uh-uh.
yucky.
What do you keep looking at that for? Is it gonna,
She's hoping it's going to go out.
battery's gonna run dead?
No, it should have lots of battery.
No.
Oh, no.
Damn.
Oh, no.
No, I was just thinking I should probably go and finish off this video that I'm working on. And
I should finish off the video.
Everything.
no, we're still doing our lives once a month. That's to grow our channel.
Whatever.
Our channel.
Not our channel.
It's our channel.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yours and MeMaw.
Yours and MeMaw's.
Lorrie's world.
Lorrie's world.
World, yeah.
You're in it. You ain't leaving.
Why?
Because I won't let you.
That's not right.
Life's not fair.
I'm calling the border. She's keeping me captive. I can't get out. Help.
Remember when he said that when we were moving up here at the border?
I didn't say that.
What did you say?
They says, why are you coming up here? I says, because she told me I had to.
Because she's making me.
Yeah, she's making me. And the one girl laughed and the guy didn't. He said, what?
Are you okay?
Do I need to,
Intervene?
Yeah, it's fine. The girl laughed. She thought it was funny. She's the one that took all my papers and everything, came back, 20 minutes later with my, yearly pass or whatever they call that?
Visitor's visa.
Yeah, my visitor visa. She says, if you need another one, just come see me. I wanted to say, why? Do you think you need another laugh or what?
Yeah.
But we were lucky there at that border.
Yes. They
But
probably didn't think the grandma and the grandpa and the old lady.
you calling me a grandpa?
You are a grandpa.
Oh, that's right.
I don't know what I will do when these two people are no longer in my life. Should that happen? Should that be God's will? But I am sure glad that I have these memories. And I tell you what, if you're not making memories of your family, you need to start. You don't have to share them with the world like I am, but keep them for yourself because those memories will one day be a precious gift to you. And so I thank you for coming in and sharing this precious gift with me today. And I appreciate you every time you come in here. I hope you'll come back sometime. Take great care of yourself. Bye for now.